Now plotting multiple columns. So how to plot multiple variables in a single graph? We are going to see that. Again, we will be going into the live window. Yes. So you see here, I will run this code. You are having a matrix 13 cross 4. So it is generating a random number between 0 to between 1 to 10, and it is having 13 rows and 4 columns, random integer. Okay. Two-dimensional plotting function. So create a line plot for each column in A. So we are going to plot for each column in A. So how to plot for each column in A? So you are going to use the plot command. Just give plot of A. Simple. Plot of A. We'll run and see what happens. You get random things. So it is plotting each column of A. We'll run here and see. Yes, so it is correct. Plot for each row of A. So how to plot for each row of A? If you give plot of A, it is plotting for every column. For row, what you should do? You should take transpose. How to take transpose for a matrix? You have to use plot A complement or A dash. Now we'll submit and see. Will plot for each. So these diagrams don't have any meaning because we are randomly generating numbers and we are plotting. So these diagrams don't carry any information. We are just seeing how to plot the individual rows and columns of any matrix. Plot for each column in A with a solid line using X markers. Same thing. So each column means we are going to use plot of A, and I am going to use solid line markers using X markers. I am going to use comma X. We'll see whether this is correct. We'll submit and see whether the answer is correct there also. No, is the line style correct? What is the line style given? Solid line. So for solid line means, I think we should use X hyphen. A solid line, what thing we should use? We'll see the solution here. We'll know the answer. Yes, X hyphen. I told you, right? So we have to use X hyphen. So we have to use X hyphen. Now we'll run this. We'll submit here. We'll get the answer correctly. Yes. Next task, plot with the red dashed line and circle markers. So red dashed line, the color is given as red dashed line and the marker is going to be circle. Okay, I can specify everything. O, red, R, O, circle marker, red dashed line. I think this should be the answer. Here R hyphen hyphen O they have given, R O hyphen hyphen. We'll see. I think both should be giving the same answer. We'll see whether it is correct. Yes. We'll submit here and see. Yes. R O hyphen hyphen R hyphen hyphen O. The order can be changed. That is not an issue in MATLAB. MATLAB will decode that correctly. Did you notice that all the lines are now in red? Yes. A color specification will apply to all the columns and remove. It will not show any distinction between variables. So all the variables will be given the same color. Okay. So we have seen here how to create a random matrix and how to plot the rows of a matrix, how to plot the columns of a matrix, and how to apply the properties of dashed line and markers to each of the rows and columns of the matrix. Okay.